Hey everybody, it's game time. I want to fire up another Outgoing video. I think what I might do is do one just running throughout the week, because obviously you don't sell as many cards during the week as you do on the weekend, and then just do one for like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So there's just you're not overwhelmed with so many videos, because I have so many because I open so much stuff. But so this is Monday afternoon. So basically, really, this is the stuff that sold on Sunday. Alizé Bowman Tech rookie. Dwight Howard black. What do you call this? It's number 239. I can't remember, but it's the parallel. Sam Darnold, Chrome rookie, and Derek Nottie, Absolute rookie. Same person almost also bought this Fultz and Dennis Smith rookies. Somebody picked up a couple of Marshawn Lattimore Prism rookies, and an AJ Cole rookie autograph. I've been selling a couple of these lately, not necessarily girly, but this insert, I'm not sure why these are hot right now, but these are selling. Jaylen Brown orange optic. This is numbered out of 199. Got a little Logan Gilbert fan. He bought this refractor and rookie. He bought these two Evan White versions, and these Logan Gilberts as well. Sold my Brady Illusions from Optic, and this Riley Gilliam numbered to 25 on card blue ink auto. Grayson Rodriguez Bowman Best purple, and hadn't sold a Derek Carr card in a while, but there he is. Illusionists. Good looking acetate insert. Bob Gibson from 2019 Topps. Ryan McMahon gold label. This is a class 2 black parallel. A couple of Zekes went to the same person. This is the Spellbound green parallel and the Optic hollow. Correa Donruss parallel teal border to 199. This button, this big Grant Taylor auto button. It's a big old card and a big old holder, numbered 2 out of 8. So that is now gone. Derrick Henry, which honestly I feel like I should be buying him right now, not selling. If he starts out this coming season as hot as he ended this last season, then everybody's gonna wish they had bought his stuff in the off season. Urias autographs gone, and Alvarez as well. A couple of Drew Finley's, the Perfect Game die cuts from 2014 Leaf Valiant. Again, this Leaf Valiant lot that I bought has been a really good buy. I've already sold like almost half those cards. On there. Yumi Garcia 2015 rookie autograph, and last card, I hate to see this one go, I like Jock Peterson Chronicles autograph from 2017. Yep, I like him. He's been quiet lately, but I still like him. I don't care. So that's it for Monday. Like I said, I'll try to run it throughout the week. I'm really busy, so I can't promise, but I'll do my best, and I'll be back soon. Good morning, everyone. It's a cold day in the south, but it's sunny and beautiful, and there are cards in this world, so it's a good day. I'm going to continue the Outgoing mail video. This is, where are we at? I think we're on Wednesday. So, alright, let's pick it up from there. This is the 2015 Donruss signature that I showed you. I'm amazed that this sold, honestly. The other one is in this stack somewhere too. I can't believe these cards sold. Of course, I priced them dirt cheap because it's CO more, but I mean, still surprised. Quentin Flowers, this big old patch from Trinity autograph, this sold. It's not numbered, but it's still a really cool card. Alright, the same guy bought these cards. Alan Zemantis? I don't even remember this guy. This is from 2006. So, and Mario Edwards. This is the camo version. Prism 2015. He also bought this Ultimate Leaf Draft Alden Smith. I love these. This die cut helmet. Look how thick this thing is. That is like crazy. This is super, super, super cool. This is from 2011. He also picked up this Rashad Jennings autograph from 2009 Elite. And this Ronnie Harrison. This is numbered to 25. Really good looking die cut short print parallel. Okay, Hunter Renfrow Wave rookie from Prism went from 2017, and this Dorrance Armstrong Jr. This is the rookie ticket. As you can see, like it's cut like a ticket, like a torn ticket, numbered out of 92. Shed Long rookie from Bowman Tech. I had this for a while, this Mitch Haniger. This is a gorgeous card. I sold this actually pretty cheap. Which, I mean, I understand he's not one of the top rookies of the class, but still, this card, when I look at it, it just seems like it's just so nice that it's hard to sell it for such a cheap price. But man, that thing's gorgeous. Here's an older autograph from Bowman Chrome. J. Brent Cox from the Yankees, 2006. Another one of these, Ding-a-dill. A Jason Tatum insert from the latest version of Hoops. It's called Courtside, if you didn't know that. Magnera Sierra. This is numbered out of 140. Looks like, I guess that's not a 9. Again, another gorgeous card. This is from 2014 Elite Extra Edition. Vonta Leach Pro Bowl jersey out of $2.99. A Jake Berger Bowman Tech autograph from Leaf Valiant. More of these. Jake Bowers High Ceiling die cut and Lucas Giolito. And then Dylan Cease, the purple and orange, numbered to 50 and 25 respectively. Marcus Wheaton Extra Points Prestige autograph from 2013. I think I pulled this myself. It's numbered out of 50. Good looking card there. One of the Fast Break signatures, Brian Scalabrine. Notani. Another really good look. You can tell I love anything that looks like a refractor. It's just so nice. Oh, here's a good card. This is a super thick on-card Cornerstones Alex Verdugo. It's numbered out of 49. Look at the thick stock on that baby. Yeah, I hated to let this one go. Jalen Ramsey Orange Prism die cut. Here's an older basketball, Crown Royale Mike Scott, hand numbered 7 out of 99. But it's also numbered on the back. That's funny. This is 2013-14. Sidney Jones Metal Draft, 2017. A AJ Green Unparalleled. This is the whirl pattern. Whirl like a freaking hurricane. What? Garrett Hampson, this is the 150 anniversary parallel rookie. Hunter Green, my redemption that I just got in, it is already gone. So I'm guessing I probably priced that too low because it sold overnight. Casey Mize autographed jersey from that case of Stars and Stripes that I broke. Also from that case, Seth Beer. Terrence Gore, 2015 Topps Chrome Auto. Another Prism Fast Break, Ivan Robb. I like this card. Jordan Groshans, Purple Leaf Parallel. This is numbered out of 25. Armando Cruz, numbered out of 50. Blue Aspirations from the 2018 Elite Extra Edition. The other from that 2015 Donruss Signature appeared this year. Again, and this wasn't even the same buyer. Two different people bought these. That was really funny. Jesus Luzardo, Early Indications from 2018 Bowman's Best. A Field Vision Green Parallel, Harrison Smith. I'm always amazed at stuff that'll sell like this. Some of these cards, I'm like, I'm about ready to, you know, just put these in a lot or whatever, so, and then they'll sell. It's just the craziest thing. I'm always amazed at what sells. Marlin Humphrey. This is, I think, 2016. Nope, 17. Escher Squares, numbered out of 299. I had this one for a while, this Porzingis International Ink from 16-17 Aficionado. It's numbered out of 199. Good looking card there. And the last one for today is a Deshaun Watson Donruss Optic Hollow. Another good looking card. So that's it. I guess I'll come back on Friday and wrap this one up. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care. Please like and subscribe. Turn your notifications if you want to be notified when I post videos, which I do quite often, so take that into account. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll be back soon. Okay, gang, we are on Thursday. Just one more day to go, and then we'll wrap this week up with Outgoing. So let's take a look. I had this for quite a while. I was really surprised that it didn't sell until now. Maybe I had it priced too high, but it's Addison Russell. This is the Black Asia Refractor. Rookie, prospect, whatever. Jameis Winston Blue from Optic, and the Red Parallel from Phoenix. Blue Donruss. Colin Sexton Certified Rookie. This is the silver version. And the Freshman Phenoms Green. One of the patterns from Tech, Corey Seager. Villanueva. This is the private gallery private issue. Meha, what do you call it? Optic hollow silver, whatever. Kyle Wright. Contenders draft picks, and Nick Senzel draft picks. Pair of Deshaun Watsons from Optic. Jonathan Bolin, one of the parallels from Elite Extra Edition. This Castanera sold for actually quite a bit, honestly. It's the pink parallel, numbered to 10, so that's probably why. A Baker Optic. The Ray guy that I was saying, I don't know much about him, making jokes. Well, that card sold really fast. So, shame on me. Matt Jones from 2015 Topps Chrome. Oh, Topps Chrome Football. I miss you so much. Kalinick autograph to $4.99 on card from Stars and Stripes. This was a weird card. It was released in the 2018 issue, but it's actually dated 2017. So that's weird. A Trubisky jersey from Prism. I actually had this for a while too, surprisingly. Alright. Jacquizz Rodgers, rookie from Bowman Sterling, autograph to $99. I love the blue. It's a really good looking card. Ito Smith, orange parallel from Optic. Stacy Coley, die cut Elite Draft Picks auto to $49. Couple of Alec Thomas autographs I pulled from Bowman's Best. I marked these down in price, and I marked them down too low because actually his prices on his cards went up this month. So Whatever. Hunter Strickland, 2015 Topps Chrome autograph. Mitch Moreland, 2019 Topps Gold parallel. Another Dingadale. I've been selling these like crazy. I don't know why I have so many of them. This is a good pair. Saquon and Sony Michel from Contenders, round numbers, round 1. Love the look of these metal cards. Look at that Cooper Rush. Woo! On card autograph. This Logan Tanner laundry tag. 2 of 3, not 1 of 1. That's a sweet card. Super thick card too. Couple of Darnolds, the red and yellow parallels. I love these. This is a good rookie card. I love his stance there. I love that photo. It's a good card for a... Oh, Josh Rosen is gone. I hate to part with it, but I have to. The on-card autograph from Contenders that I personally pulled. Another big dollar card that sold was my Tristan Casas 1 of 1. I love this card. It is absolutely so gorgeous. It's a good autograph. It's just a good looking card. But somebody made me an offer I couldn't refuse. And so it has to go out tomorrow. John Kelly, draft status, die cut autograph to 10. Gold standard, Amir Garrett. On card, dual relic. Jamie Barria from Chronicles, numbered to 149. Sticker auto with a teeny tiny piece of jersey that cracks me up. It's like it's weird, like it's just out of place there. Chronicles, Sano and Bogarts to $4.99 and $99 respectively. Triple threat. I love this card because it's the red, white, and blue. 3 different color jersey patch there. I like these two. The Spectra Neon Bonifacio. This is the on-card auto jersey. Rookie. Another triple threat. It's not nearly as exciting, but at least they got 2 colors there. D. Gordon. And the last one for this day is Senzatella. This is another good looking card. The gold standard autos, I love that they're on card, and it's really cool when they get one with a pinstripe or at least 2 different colors. So that's it for today. One more day and we will wrap this week up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these goodies, and I'll be back with cards soon. Okay, Friday morning, just a couple of things, and I'm gonna wrap this up. Gotta get to work. I'm running behind today. So Dion Jordan, this is from 2013 Prominence, which is very inexpensive because, I mean, it has some really neat pulls in it, but I mean, I guess the checklist just isn't so great. So you can grab this stuff for like, I don't know, $30 a box. Cabrera, Spectra, this is actually from Chronicles. Allen Iverson, Prism Hall Monitors. This is an interesting girly rookie from USA Football 2014. Is that right? Yeah. You can get these sets and boxes dirt cheap, and they have a couple of key rookies. Gurley, they have Jameis Winston, a couple others, I think. Vic Beasley, Orange Optic. This should be numbered, yep, to $199. Bo Bichette, Elite Extra Edition to $9.99. Equiminius Smith St. Brown. This is the Astral Parallel, and from Unparalleled, numbered to 200. A couple of Prism autographs, Marlin Humphrey, Gary and Conley. One bad thing is I'm getting mail day in and showing you guys some of these cards, and then you're seeing them again on Outgoing, so I'm going to have to think about a way to maybe cut down on that, including like this stuff. Sean Reed Foley, 2014 Leaf Valiant autograph. So I don't know, I'm going to think that through. Maybe Outgoing mail videos aren't a good idea, or I don't know. Maybe I can try to remember what I've already shown you, something like that. So anyways, I hope everybody has a great week. Take care of yourself, and I'll be back soon.